having this knowledge, I hope me sharing this information with you guys will end all any kind of religious dispute. Okay, because it's nonsense and it is pure ignorance. Because the the illusion is they are different. Okay, however, you know, having multiple organizations of religion makes us divided, and at the same time, the patronage of uh, each type of religion is kind of creating a sort of competition. So, and gives rise to a lot of conflict. Now, I'll tell you about why there are never-ending conflict that is happening. Okay. So the next level after the religious organizations is the royal elites. Okay. So the royalties are given power by churches, temples, okay, to rule over. This is what I got. They are given power by the temples and churches to rule over the known lands. Okay, the known lands. So when I say known lands, that's the what we call the globe or the current world map. Okay, so basically the royal the royal elites maintain rule over the earth like landlords only. Okay, they are not the real owners of this planet. So there's something above them. Okay, so whether you call them prime minister, president, okay, uh, king, queen, okay, they are all part of the landlord system. Okay, whether you think you voted for these people, no, you didn't. They were actually assigned to each area of the planet, which we call country. In actuality, there is no such thing as country. There's just the whole world. Okay? The countries were created to divide human beings so that they cannot unite, and it also serves a purpose for the dragon race or the dragon people to be able to control us and harvest us. Okay, it will all make sense later on. Okay, all right. So there are lands outside of the world map. Okay, the world map is not even an accurate depiction of the land masses uh, that are here in this planet. Okay, so with education, they were able to program us to just see from our head that whatever was taught to us when we were children is the world that we live in. The maps are incomplete. Okay, these maps were purposely created so that we can be enclosed in a certain boundary wherein we are only allowed to travel. Okay? That's the reason why there are what? Passports, licenses, visas, and all other control measures such as airspace, uh, sea routes, okay, navigational control. That's why they exist, not for the reason that we were told. They exist because we are not allowed to cross a certain boundary beyond the world map. Okay? And the landlords are the royalties, presidents and prime ministers. Okay, so they serve as landlords. Okay, to keep us in check, to keep us in a certain herd type of mentality, and so that we won't go beyond the bounds of the boundaries that was set to us by the dragon race or the dragon people who owns this earth. Okay. Now, the second, that's the second, okay. So we got the dragon race, religious organizations, royal elites, presidents, prime ministers, and the secret organizations. Okay, there's a lot of secret organizations operating in our planet. And some of them are known and most of them are unknown. Okay? If you ever wonder why things don't change, it's because of these organizations. Okay? Now, the role of the secret organizations, they are the original schools of the elites. This is where the elites are educated. Okay, they become members, they become apprentices, and they become initiated in these organizations only for the sole purpose of continuing the illusion, continuing the system. Okay, so whether you see them as good or bad, their job is to keep the knowledge, okay, to pass on the knowledge to a certain select few, okay, the ones who are going to be the landlords or rulers of our of the known lands. Now, in this way, they can control which information can be divulged and which information should be kept secret. Okay, and it's a close knit. These organizations know of each other. They're close knit, and they also have their own hierarchy. So there's layers upon layers of uh, knowledge and secrets that are being kept by these organizations. Okay, this is your favorite level, the government level. Okay, so so government report to the hierarchy. So whichever uh, hierarchy they report to, okay. So not all of the government agencies have knowledge of the owners of the earth. Uh, Only to a certain point, such as the highest top tier level of military. Okay, so and there are agencies, government agencies are separate. Okay, so the agencies that you know are only dealing with human affairs, but there are agencies that are directly in contact with the hierarchy. Okay, so there's clear communication with all levels. Okay, however, from my discussion with Spirit, only higher levels of military know